Hey, I'm Andrew with the Ultimate Landscape Academy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps we take every company that I work with to take them from stuck, burned out, overwhelmed, and not profitable to being in a position where they've got profit, they've got the teams doing the work for them, and they're actually starting to build a business and a life that they want. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, the Foundations program is built specifically for companies who want to grow. Most companies that I speak to that are doing $2, $3, $4 million that have already started to grow and get to a level where they're actually making some money are always missing a few key elements, and typically it's the things that drive profit. That's why they've gotten as big as they have, because they've been chasing the carrot over and over and over again, wanting more leads, wanting more tools, needing more guys, hoping they'll make more money. But because they're missing the foundational part of their business, they actually just keep chasing that carrot and they're not going to get there. So with every single company that we work with, we walk through the same three phases. It's very, very simple, and it's what creates the foundation for a business that is scalable and one that you can actually build that you enjoy instead of one that consumes your life. Let's go over that now. So first and foremost, at the bottom of every foundation is a clear plan. If you're trying to scale your business right now and you have no idea what target you're trying to hit in mind, and when I say target, I mean either a growth target, a revenue target, or some sort of ideal customer target, then you are running blind right now. If you were to send your team out to the job site with no plan, absolutely no instruction, and tell them to go install something, what are you going to get out the other end, right? I don't know is the answer. And when it comes to scaling your business and building the business for your family and for the people around you that you care about, not knowing isn't the best way to scale, all right? It's what leads to headaches, it's what leads to uncertainty, what leads to doubt, and all of these things stop you from actually taking action in your business. So number one is coming up with a really clear plan on what you're trying to achieve for your business. This is revenue targets. From there, we break it down into a monthly sales target. From there, we break it down into an ideal customer profile target for who we're trying to bring in and project values. Once we know where we're trying to get to, we can identify what team members you're either going to need to eliminate right now or put in place as we go to scale. This is the instruction manual that helps you move through the additional phases and allows you to know that you always have something to go back to. When you're wondering what to do next, you go back to the plan and the next step is going to reveal itself for you. After that, phase two, we get on to clear numbers. Because if you don't know your numbers in your business right now and you're trying to scale, you're doing it the absolute hardest way possible. Every single business that goes to scale needs to look at monthly P&L. So that's a profit and loss statement. We need to know the cost of goods sold. We need to know what our proportionate overhead and the expenses are for the business. And the biggest driver of all of the growth is we need to know our profit. If you don't have profit in your business, and by the way, if you think you have profit and what you say is your profit is your owner's salary, then you don't have profit. Profit is what's at the end. Once you've paid yourself and you've paid for the equipment and you've paid for the materials and all the other things that go into running your business, what is left over at the end is your profit. And this should be a net 20%, which means if you do $500,000 a year in your business, it should be $100,000. If you do $1 million a year, it should be $200,000, and it goes from there. Now, some models in different areas run different numbers, but that is the standard number for a hardscape business doing project-based installs. If you're not hitting 20% margins right now and you want to know how, make sure you stay to the end of this video so you can get on a call with me. But numbers is the biggest driver for the business. Once we see clear numbers, you know how to price, which makes you more confident in your sales, by the way. You know what kind of jobs actually make you money, and you know what kind of jobs you could say no to. This makes scaling much easier in your business because now you have the confidence to go to the next level. You have the ability to say no when you need to, and some of us at times have made that mistake, ended up with a bad customer, caused a bunch of problems with the team, and then it just snowballed from there, right? When we have the numbers in front of us, we can make data-driven decisions, and data-driven decisions take the emotions out of it. They take the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt. When we know the key performance indicators like your cost to acquire a customer, or we know your conversion rate or your sales rate, we know exactly what area to focus on to take you to the next level. Rather than guessing, we make data-driven decisions. So understanding your numbers and being clear with your numbers is part of our phase number 2. And to do this, we give you a series of spreadsheets, very easy to use with tutorial videos that walk you through how to understand the cost of running your business, how to price and job track effectively, and then lastly, we also give you a tracker that gives you the top KPI, key performance indicators that you need to be able to take your business to $2, $3, $4 million and above. Now, once we've got our plan in place and we've mastered the numbers, we go on to phase number 3, which is clear sales. If we don't have a sales process in place, which is where most guys run, it's what I did for years running my landscape business, my hardscape business. I didn't know what I was doing in sales and I just stumbled through it. Now, I thought I did okay until I started tracking the numbers and I realized I was closing less than 50% of my deals, which means I was meeting with customers, I was creating estimates, and I was sending those estimates, and only 50% of them rewarded me a client. I was wasting 50% of my effort. When I realized that, I went to work on my sales process. So what we have built and what I used in my business, and now other contractors are using as well, is what I call our plug and play sales process. This allows you to take what you currently have to tweak it so that you are qualifying better on your first call. So you run value-based consultation appointments that set you aside from the competition and help you weed out the bad customers, the ones that you shouldn't even build an estimate for in the first place. It allows you to set yourself aside from the other landscape companies or hardscape companies that they meet with and puts you above, which means that when it comes to looking at your price, you're no longer in the same playing field. We now focus on value with selling at this level. Now, in the sales system, we talk about design. We talk about how you sell design and how you convert projects on the other end. Real big thing. If you're sending estimates by email right now, it's got to stop. That's why you're closing where you're closing. When you get ghosted and you've gone through the work of meeting a customer, asking the questions, building the estimate, and then you send it to them, you give all the authority away. You say, hey, listen, I've done all this work and I'm the expert, but you go make a decision. And what happens is that customers go to the page and the only thing they understand is the price. They don't understand what the 12 inches of aggregate is below the wall. They don't understand the 4-inch perforated drain in behind. They don't know what the geotextile is. They don't know the difference between Unilock and Techoblock or Permacon or any of those other companies. They only understand the number. And then they look at quote number 1 and quote number 2, and they make their decision based off that. So in the sales, we eliminate sending emails and we switch to in-person presentations. This is how we increase our sales rates, which allows us to have a lower acquisition cost, which means when we do go to scale, when we do add things like marketing and ads and additional ways to bring customers in, we do it more effectively. Now, very important to note, this is the third thing on this list. Most companies come to me and they say, I just need more leads, Andrew. If I just had more leads, we would be able to do better. Well, the problem is they've got a shitty close rate, so they're not closing the deals they should. They have no idea about their numbers. They're still guessing, so their confidence is all over the board, which again is affecting their close rate. And they don't know what they're actually trying to achieve, so they're burning themselves out trying to get to the next level. So when we have these 3 phases as part of the foundations, from there we go to scale and we grow. Now, what does that look like inside the Ultimate Landscape Academy? Very, very simple. We have deliverables that every single contractor gets when they come and they work with me and my team. Number 1 is a clear roadmap. If you set destination, you set off on a destination and you don't know where you're going, good luck ever getting there. So number 1 is a clear path using data so that we can track metrics to get you to where you want to go. Number 2 is ongoing accountability and execution. This is where you meet with members of my team or me if we're doing one-on-one mentorship together each and every week to get you to the next level. This makes sure that you are not falling off, that you're not putting work off, and you're not putting it off because something else came up. We'll keep you on track as we move through, which keeps you moving towards your goal and your destination. Now, the direct coaching access, like I said, my team and myself available to you depending on where you come in with the Foundations program, whether or not you come in on the group coaching level or whether or not you come into my mentorship level. If you're interested in that, again, stay to the end of this so you can book a call with me and we can talk. On top of this, you get access to our high-level contractor network. This is everybody inside the Ultimate Landscape Academy right now. Right now, we've got about 45 contractors in there at the time of filming this video. This is for you to be able to network with, to have people that you can ask questions. I wish that when I was scaling my Hardscape business, which we did $4.5 million out of Southern Ontario, that I had another company to go to, that I had a network of business owners who were there to help me answer my questions when I went to scale, when I wanted to get to the next level, instead of having to figure it out by myself. Entrepreneurship, it's a lonely way to go. There's not a lot of people out there who want to help you because they're so busy doing their own thing. But inside our contractor network, you have people that are there to help build you forward. And it's one of the most amazing parts of the entire Landscape Academy that I'm proud to be part of. Now, from there, systems and templates. Because as you go to scale and as you grow, we don't want you to have to build everything for yourself. So everything that we used in my business and that other contractors are using right now is available for you inside the Ultimate Landscape Academy's resources. We give you training tutorials. We help you with hiring, onboarding. If you need to fire, we help you with building out your sales system, your marketing system. We help you go to scale in whatever area of your business you need. And we give you the information you need on the back end, whether or not that's an SOP, whether or not that's actually a training video that you can use with your teams as well, or whether or not it's some kind of tracking data or software. On top of that, the financial tools that we have allows you to know your numbers every step along the way, because if you don't make profit as you go, you can't continue to grow. If you're stuck right now and you're wondering, why can't I get to the next level? Let me ask you, do you have any profit? Because the profit is the key indicator to being able to grow your business. The money you have at the end is what you have to reinvest in your business growth or put in your pocket. And if you're putting it all in your pocket and then you're stalling the business, well, that's one side of it. But if you're making profit, then you can continue to invest in growing the business. It's the only thing that helps us push forward. More work will only get you so far. So inside the Ultimate Landscape Academy, this is exactly what we do. If you guys want to know more about this, know more about the community and how I do my one-on-one coaching, which by the way, when I do one-on-one coaching with people, we do a lot of personal development. I'm not interested in helping hardscapers become wealthier without also becoming a better version of themselves. When you work with me, you get in better shape because we focus on health. You become more powerful spiritually because we focus on your connection with God. You become more stable as a leader in your relationships because we focus on your mental health and your emotional health. And you become a stronger giant financially because we help put the things in place that are needed for you to become financially stable, not only for your business, but also for your family. And as you do these things, you step up. You become a better leader, you build stronger marriages, you become better parents. And at the end of the day, growth without those things, what's the point? So, if you've watched this to now, you have a better understanding of what we do here inside the Ultimate Landscape Academy. If you want to know more, you can reach out to me on Instagram, Andrew Latursky, very simple, or you can click the link below. It'll take you to my booking page. You can book a call with me. It's a business audit. It'll be about a 45-minute, up to an hour call. We'll diagnose your business right now, and if I can help you, I will talk what that looks like on that call. Oh, and by the way, so you know if this is even something that could be right for you, when you come into the Ultimate Landscape Academy, number one, we focus on project-based work. It's not for lawn care. If you're looking to expand your lawn care business right now, I would love to help you, but that's just not where our focus is right now. If you want to get into project-based work, then I would absolutely love to show you how to sell, how to attract more customers, and how to build the systems around it. If you're already running a project-based company and you're looking to go to scale and you're doing somewhere between $350,000 a year and about $1.5 million and you want to at least 2x your business or more in the next 12 months, then I'd love to speak with you about mentoring and what that looks like.